One of the many benefits of ASAP is access to user resource libraries such as the Breault Light Source Library. The Breault Light Source Library is comprised of over 300 light source models, and the ASAP 2012 release includes dozens of new sources added to the library since the previous major release. These new sources simulate some of the latest bulbs and LEDs from leading source manufacturers. All sources can be found in the ASAP Quick Start toolbar. Selecting a manufacturer and double-clicking the name of a source will bring up the Light Source Library wizard. From here, one can view detailed information about the source by clicking the View Model button. The new sources include 5 new filament bulbs, as well as LEDs from OSRAM, Bridgelux, Nichia, Cree, and Lumileds. The Breault Light Source Library continues to grow with each ASAP and library installer release. If you would like to request an addition to the library, please use the feedback form located on Breault.com to submit your request.